In today's video, we're going to show you the application process for the Donjoy Iceman Clear 3 pads and the Classic 3 pads. By the end of this video, you're going to understand how to put your DJ pad on. So let's jump right into it and see what it's like. So the first thing you want to do is check the part number because you want to make sure you got the correct pad. Notice that this is a sealed bag, and this is why this is so important, because if you got the wrong pad and this bag is open, they are not returnable once the bag is open. So we're going to drop in the description box below the pad number for this video so you can just double check it. The other thing you're going to get in the mail is a skin warning. You never want to put these pads directly on your skin because it could cause frostbite or damage. And we always like to say the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on and 20 minutes off. So Michelle is now going to take us through the process of putting on the Donjoy pads.
Today we're going to show you how to apply the Donjoy Iceman hip pad. Just note that there is a separate hip pad for the left and the right side, but the application is the same. We are going to apply this one to the left side. Now, as you'll see, we have our strap in place and it needs to be centered on the pad. You don't want it too high or too low down.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and give us a like. It's a free way to help support our channel so we can keep making content for you. Now let's get back to the video.
There are no barriers for these pads, but your clothing acts as your barrier. So we're going to put it in place. We're going to bring our long strap around first, attach it. Then you're going to take the smaller strap. And this basically is just to kind of hold it in place. It doesn't need to actually wrap around your entire leg.
And you can adjust it as you go once you get it in a comfortable spot.
Once you've got it in place, it should look something like this. Then you're ready to attach the hose from the pad to the hose from the cooler. When you hear that click, that lets you know that it's secure. Once you've got that in place, go ahead and connect your power supply to the back of the cooler, plug it into the wall, and then you're ready to begin your therapy.
Thanks, Michelle. Great job on showing us how to put on those Donjoy pads. Now that you know how to do your Donjoy cold therapy pads, check out our next video of the unboxing of the Clear 3 and the Classic 3. And let's get back in motion.